Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? That's right, today we're going to take a look at something special. Another team up between KaBar and the TDI, or Tactical Defense Institute. So stay tuned after we roll the intro. I'm going to show you what came in this box and tell you everything you need to know about it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, we only got one little bit of quick housekeeping info for you. It's real simple. If you like what you're about to see in this video, please give me that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show a lot of love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. Alright, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at the KaBar/TDI Flipper. Now, I saw this over on Woodland Tactical's YouTube channel. He wasn't a fan of it, but I thought, okay, maybe you've got some potential. So I went, got one, had to bring it here. Now, just really quick back thing. John Brenner is basically the HMFIC of the Tactical Defense Institute. He designed this blade and a whole bunch of other stuff that we have brought to the channel from the TDI guys. Take a look up top. You're going to see a card for every bit of gear review we've ever brought to the channel. There's a great grippy, I can't remember the name of it, but there's a knife up there from them sitting in there, and I got a review I need to shoot here in a moment on another one. So John designs great gear for pretty much law enforcement to make your job a lot easier. He is a 33-year veteran of the police force, so he kind of knows what they may need and what they may want and how they can test it out for them. So I'm like, okay, this channel backs law enforcement. Let's bring this to the channel. Now, it's got an overall length of 8.125 inches. The blade is 3.375 with a cutting edge of 3.25. When it's closed, it's only about 4.75 inches. Now, it has a interesting weight to it for a flipper of 4.76 ounces. It's got a little heft. You know, if you're wearing it in your pocket that it's there. On a tack vest, it's probably going to get lost in the mix for like weight distribution, but no big deal. Okay, as you can see, it does have a plain edge. It's got a flat grind with a spear point with black finish. Now, what I like is they went with AUS 8A steel. I know, it's like a big fancy way of saying a European, like 8CR14 MOV. But still, it's got a Rockwell rating of 52 to 54. And it's held up okay for me, You got a stainless steel frame, one G10 scale, just on that one side. Now, you can carry it only one way. Basically, right-hand side, tip up or tip down, your choice. Okay, now, they do have a flipper opening or the thumb studs. I'll be honest, I have had some significant trouble with the thumb studs getting removed, so I just go with the flipper. It is a frame lock, and yes, it is made in Taiwan. I know that's going to tick some people off. And oh yeah, the rattling inside the box was just your limited lifetime warranty. Okay, now let's get to the fun stuff that we usually do here. If you're brand new to the channel, we really only do like 3 cut tests, okay? Here's the first one. Heavy duty stock paper. Of course, on the floor. But I'll take that for going for those curly cues right away. I'll take it. So let's just go. Okay, not bad. I do see paper flakes, though. They are on that blade. I know the light's kind of blurring them out, but they are there. So, paracord. Simple pull test. Not impressed with that. Had to put a little effort into that guy. But the slice test went better. But man, that pull test. And look. Right there. Okay. And our third test, like we usually do, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Yep, I kind of knew that might happen. I'm not sure if it's the way I was holding it, so let's just... Yeah, could have been the way I was holding it. First one was a fail, second one kind of went through. And it kind of cleaned up the blade, because I don't see any fuzzies on the blade anymore. But alright, so I found it on Amazon, KaBar.com, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's $49.49, plus you're going to get free shipping. KaBar.com, $67.21, and Blade HQ is $49.95. It is yet to be reviewed on Blade HQ. On KaBar, it's been reviewed 4 times and got a 5 out of 5. And on Amazon, it's been reviewed 12 times and scored a 4.7 out of 5. But here's the important part of the video to me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I want to know if you think she's nice or an F-bomb. Nice or an F-bomb. Would it be one I would carry every single day? Probably not. Okay? I have some other blades that have performed a little bit better for me. I can see value, but it wouldn't be my go-to choice. So, take that for what it's worth. Alright. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, oh boy. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much, and yeah, I know I screwed that up, for viewing this video. Look, I know with quarantine going on right now, we've all got a lot of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're choosing one of mine. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers of the channel who have yet to subscribe, well, first question is why? Go ahead, leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription. Please be constructive, because lately I'm getting a lot of, I don't like your voice. Nothing I can do about it. I'm turning 50, and that's who I am. So, take it for what it's worth. Now, after you've done that, go ahead and look right down there. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please destroy the notification icon. Look, kind of looks like a little bell, if you so choose. And here's why. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. My tabletop look at the KaBar TDI Flipper. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.